Here are 5 steps you can follow to fix your laptop when it stops working again. Step 1. Communicate with the device.
Right, now listen, I can't be having this today. I'm up to here. I need you to sort yourself out and get working, alright?
Step 2. Tap a key. And if that doesn't work, tap it again. And progressively keep tapping it harder and harder and harder. Step 3. Make sure the charger is plugged in to the device. Step 4. Take a break to stop you from having a breakdown. Step 5. Realise that you've not plugged it in at the mains and that's the reason it's not working.